Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to code Java in IntelliJ. First, ensure you have IntelliJ IDEA installed. The Community Edition is free and perfect for most users. Next, you'll need a Java Development Kit, or JDK. I recommend Open JDK 17 for broad compatibility. Once both are installed, open IntelliJ and configure the JDK path in your project settings to get started. Now, let's create your very first Java project. From the IntelliJ welcome screen, simply click New Project. Select Java as your project type and ensure your previously configured JDK is chosen. Give your project a meaningful name, like My First Java App, and pick a convenient location to save it. IntelliJ will then set up the basic project structure for you. With your project ready, it's time to write some code. In the Project Tool window, expand the SRC folder, right-click, and create a new Java class. Inside this class, write your Java code, making sure to include a main method for execution. To run your program, simply click the small green run arrow that appears next to your main method. It's that easy. IntelliJ offers powerful features to boost your productivity. Take advantage of intelligent code completion and clear syntax, highlighting to write code faster and with fewer errors. When troubleshooting, the built-in debugger is invaluable. You can step through your code line by line and inspect variable values. Learning a few key keyboard shortcuts will also significantly speed up your development workflow.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.